My name is Dale White. I work for and own Leighton A Incorporated, Milford, New Hampshire. We're a site excavation company. We're a full-line site excavation company, really from tree clearing to pavement. We do the majority of the work ourselves, and we have a lot of great vendors that help us, tree clearers and pavers, but predominantly we handle the complete site package excavation-wise. We run a stone quarry and a couple gravel pits. We also have a what we call a lay-down area where we recycle concrete, asphalt materials, and then we do a very large screen loam business. We have 7 excavators, and we're in the process of purchasing 2 additional pieces. We also have 7 loaders, and in the process of purchasing another loader. I feel like Hyundai gives us an edge really over my competition because they're priced fairly, and what other competitors I feel considers an option, it's standard equipment in Hyundai. And what I mean by that is heated seats, the backup cameras. There's just so many little features in the cab. The ergonomics of the cab is so favorable for our operators' comfort. Their loaders are very user-friendly. I was talking to some of my men this morning just to kind of get an idea of why they feel they're a good loader. And one of the things that they said was they stick to the ground, especially in snow plowing. That's very favorable because it's all about traction. They're very powerful. They've got a very smooth shifting pattern. It seems to, they've accomplished being able to shift at the right time, and with that automatic transmission that shifts up and down, they seem to have found that sweet spot that shifts at the right time, giving you maximum power. Our loaders are all capable of handling pushers, quick detach, forks, and it's just, they've also made that so it's just drive in, back out. One thing we found over the years, before when there were attachments available, when you had to get out and pull pins, you tended not to do it. You would just keep going the way you were because by nature we're lazy. But when they make it easy, both in excavator and loaders, to switch implements, switch attachments, the operators do it because that in itself provides efficiency. You know, one thing I look for in a loader is quickness. The Hyundais have proved they're very quick. And their power to weight ratio is, I think, very good. When it snows, obviously, you learn the value of good equipment because you're working in, inclement weather and all hours of day and night, and you want dependability. That's one thing that we have enjoyed is dependability with these loaders.